It often happens to see somebody who's talented at something and you feel so fascinated about what he's doing and you say, oh, that's so cool, I want to learn how to do this. Let's say speaking 6 different languages or mastering a football skill or solving a Rubik's Cube in 6 seconds. But deep down you just say, I don't actually have enough time to be good at it. I like drawing, but I'm too busy to learn it. But what if you have to? What if you are a student? Therefore, you have no choice. If you study medicine or business, you have to learn how to read faster and to memorize longer. Or if you study engineering, you have to learn how to focus longer. Alright, now I want you to stop that video and comment below how many hours you think it takes to go from knowing absolutely nothing to becoming good at something, okay? Well, it's not 10,000 hours. According to Josh Kaufman, it's only 20 hours. And 20 hours is doable. It's about 45 minutes a day for a month. And of course there is a method that you need to apply in those 20 hours, the 5-step method. The more you know exactly what you want to learn, the easiest you'll find a way to reach that accomplishment. Step 2. Deconstruct the skill, which is smaller sub-skills. 3. Learn enough to self-correct. Learn just using the errors and trials. Remove the practice barriers. The distractions. You need to close the door. You need to turn off your phone, your internet. Practice. Practice at least 20 hours. Recommit it before even you begin. And that's it. There's no magic behind it. It's just a strategic effort you invest in to reward your future self and to have, that sense of accomplishment. Remember, it only takes 20 hours. The next video will be a short motivational story, but it's gonna be a little bit longer. That's what, Mariam, and keep smiling.